Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Most of the people use incorrect settings in Google Chrome, and that is why Google Chrome runs very slow and it is not secured. The privacy is not good. So today in this tutorial, I'll give you the best settings to use Google Chrome so that it runs faster, doesn't take much memory, and it is optimized in your way. So open your Google Chrome browser and at the top right corner, click on the three dots and then go to settings. So we will make the browser faster. Overall, the browsing experience will be better after this tutorial. So please make sure you watch the whole tutorial and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe if this tutorial is helpful. So here, the very first thing, we need to go to the privacy and security. And here we need to go to this security option and make sure the safe browsing standard protection is turned on. It should not be under no protection, it should be standard protection. And if you want to use the Google secure DNS, you can turn this on and make sure this is also turned on for you. And once you're done, click on back and then we will go to this performance tab. Now, inactive tab appearance, a dotted circle appears. This should be turned on because it is helpful. The important part is memory. It should be balanced. Chrome frees up memory from inactive tabs. So if you get the maximum, your tab becomes inactive after a short period of time. And if you go with the balance, it take optimal period of time. So balance is good. And energy saver. So if you work in your laptop, then you should turn on when your computer is unplugged. So Chrome conserves battery power by limiting background activity and visual effects such as smooth scrolling and video frame rates. So if you're okay with that, you should turn on when the computer is unplugged. So energy saver is also good. Standard preload pages is fine because it makes the browser experience better. So preload pages is fine. Make sure you select standard preloading. I'll leave the AI innovations appearance. You can make your Google as the home page, show home button. So whenever you will open the Google Chrome, Google page will come or appear for you. All right. So you can do these settings. You can take the screenshot and then you can pause and do this. Make sure these settings are for you. In the search engine, you can change it to Google as it's the best search engine and it should be your default browser. On startup, when you open, it should open the Google homepage. So you can open the new tab or continue where you left off, or if you want to open the specific page, then I have selected google.com. So that is good for me. Now, once you're done, then we will go to accessibility. We don't have much here. Thanks. In system, this is again a very important part, and it is the most important part actually. So it says continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. So this should be turned off. And by just turning this off, your computer will be better. Overall, the experience will be better as far as the Chrome usages. And use graphics acceleration when available. That is fine. It should be turned on. So these are the settings which you can do. And one bonus tip is if you want to increase the download speed in Google, then you just need to type Chrome, then :// flags. I'll maximize it so that you can type it. So you need to type Chrome : / flags. And this will, I'll show you how exactly you can increase the download speed. Now here in the search flags, you need to search for parallel, Parallel, parallel downloading. Enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speed in Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, or Android. So from default or disabled, select enabled and just close this and restart, open the browser. And I'm sure your Google Chrome will be much faster than earlier. It will be using less memory, it is more secure, and you're good to go. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, if you find this any value in this tutorial, please hit the like and subscribe, and do share this tutorial with your loved ones, family, and friends. I'll be glad if you do so. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Take care.